Yearning to add a new stream of income to your bank account in 2024? Or perhaps you're looking to turn your free time into a profitable venture? Well, you've come to the right place. Point 1. Virtual assistants. With the world becoming increasingly digital, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. Virtual assistants perform a variety of tasks, from managing emails and schedules to handling social media accounts. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is the ability to work from anywhere, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Plus, you get to choose your clients and set your own rates. Point 2. E-commerce. Have you ever thought of selling products online? It's easier than you might think. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it simple to start your own online store. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, e-commerce is a flexible and profitable side hustle. Point 3. Freelance work. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, or programming? The freelance market is thriving, with businesses constantly on the lookout for talented individuals to complete short-term projects. The best part about freelancing? You decide when and where you work, and you have the opportunity to choose projects that match your interests and skills. Point 4. Online tutoring. Are you an expert in a certain subject? With online tutoring, you can share your knowledge with others and get paid for it. From math and science to languages and music, the opportunities are endless. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Point 5. Content creation. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and TikTok, creating content has become a viable side hustle. If you have a unique skill, hobby, or experience to share, content creation could be a great fit for you. Plus, it allows you to connect with a global audience and potentially earn a substantial income through ad revenue and sponsorships. In conclusion, there are ample opportunities to turn your skills, interests, and free time into a profitable side hustle in 2024. Whether you choose to become a virtual assistant, start an e-commerce business, take on freelance work, tutor online, or create content, remember that consistency, dedication, and a willingness to learn are key to success. Here's to a prosperous 2024. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.